Kling AI costs $10 per month. Luma AI costs $10 per month. And Runway costs $15 per month, which can become quite expensive. But luckily, this tool Pollo AI has all my favorite AI video generators all inside of one platform, and you can use it for free. Since I've partnered with Pollo AI for this video, I'm going to go in depth with every single feature. What makes this different? How is the quality? And how free is it really? So I'm now on the inside of Pollo AI, and you can see image to video, consistent character video, text to video, and video to video. I'm gonna break all of these down, as well as a bonus, the templates and AI effects, like AI kissing. But first, you might be wondering, how is the quality? So we can go to the explore page, where it's kind of like a social media where other people have uploaded their generations for us to see. Here we have a video to video generation of this girl that is dancing, and the style is actually really consistent. The same go with this girl as well. Looks like a TikTok video, and the filter or AI filter here is actually really good. Here is another generation from them as well, more a image to video workflow, I believe. This as well says it's text to video generation, which almost looks completely real. This also gives us the ability to click on it and create a similar video from the video we found in the gallery, as well as seeing the exact prompt that they used to get this generation. So let's get to the first tool, text to video. Now, what makes Pollo AI different compared to other video generators is that they're actually an aggregator, meaning that they have Kling 1.6, the best AI video generation software inside, as well as Vidu, HaiLuo, Luma AI, and PixVerse. The same goes when we do image to video. You also get Runway included here as well, which means that you don't have to pay for multiple different softwares. This does it all. But can we get some good results? For text to video, I'm going to use this prompting tip here: camera, object, action, background, slow punch in shot of a gorgeous Viking woman sitting on a giant Viking throne, smiling inside a Viking tent with a campfire. Okay, I'm going to use their inbuilt Pollo 1.5 here and test it with the other ones that they have as well. We can choose the aspect ratio depending on if you want this on social media. Let's say, for example, on Instagram, 9:16. Public visibility, I don't care. Copy protection as well, I think is good if you have your face included, which we'll do in image to video. Let's click on create. This is going to take a few minutes to generate, but while we're at it, I'll also use Kling AI that says 4 minutes, 6 minutes. Vidu is actually 60 seconds, and the other ones are quite quick. So let's see if that's actually true. Kling here, we actually have more options like prompt strength, video length as well, up to 10 seconds, negative prompt, and some others as well. You see that this one actually requires 20 credits, which is double as expensive from their own original model. We're gonna do the same with Vidu as well. Here we can change different styles from general to animation. So let's actually try the animation style. Here we can also choose the resolution. Let's at least do 720p, 4 seconds. Motion range, we can change all of these as well. And let's click on create, but that's going to be okay for testing. So it seems like they're all generating quite fast. Here is the Vidu video generation here in this anime style, which actually looks really good. Here is the generation from Kling, and you can see the campfire and the tent and the Viking woman on a throne, except she turned Asian. So that could easily be fixed with a prompt, but overall very impressive. Obviously Kling is the best currently. And yeah, just look at the light on her face lighting up from the campfire even. Just absolutely beautiful. Here is the Pollo AI generation. And the only thing is a little bit of face warp here. She is smiling. There is a campfire, there is a tent, and she has these really cool clothes on. So it's actually quite a great text to video. But when I generate videos, I don't really do text to video. I rather do the next thing, which is image to video. So this is where you can upload an image and then we add a prompt on top of that. And the reason why is because you can generate a bunch of styles with the images first. That is so low effort in comparison generating 6 minutes per video, which allows you to have a lot more consistent style, and the customization is just a lot better. Luckily, they have an AI image generator built into this that you can use to generate the images. I already have some images that I want to test. I want to try this image that I'm speaking at an event and see if it actually can animate me somehow. For the video models here, we have Kling 1.6 at 2 minutes now, a lot faster, and we have these other ones. I already tested them all, and I kind of just want to go with Kling. Add the prompt following the same prompt technique. Parallax camera shot of Norwegian man with a hair in a bun speaking into the microphone in an art museum. We can generate standard mode or the professional mode, and actually both of these two modes are really good, and the standard mode is cheaper, but we'll go with the professional mode. Prompt strength I'll keep at 50. Video length, let's do 10 seconds. No negative prompt. Oh god. Yeah, 80 credit. Let's do 5 seconds instead. Let's do standard mode instead. Little bit better for my wallet. Create. And the other thing, I didn't actually test out PixVerse v3 yet, so I kind of want to test that one, and I can already see the big benefit here of having the aggregator testing many different models, because they all work in very different ways and they're better at some things than some other video generators are. Does that make sense? All right, this is the one that we got from PixVerse. Actually going over to the side, and all of a sudden there's some sort of a /conference man all of a sudden popping up. I mean, it's not bad. It's actually quite good. And we got the Kling video as well that looks like this. Camera shake a little bit and speaking, moving the arms really well. There is some face morph here, but it's all really good. I would love to test a runway as well. 25 seconds, that's really quick, but you guys know how image to video works. It's my favorite workflow. Create an image that you like with AI, put it into image to video, and that's how to get the best results for me. But before that, comment down below AI video if you want me to make more videos around AI video generation and content creation, as well as YouTube has its own AI. So if I say like the video and subscribe, they should be flowing with colors. So just tap those buttons. Now let's jump into consistent character. So as you can see, we have image 1, image 2, image 3, and a prompt that you want to create with the images. So what I'm going to do is upload a couple images of my face, like this one. I'm just going to crop a little bit, and the one I already did, and the last one here, I'll prompt it basically me sitting in a cafe. Let's use the lowest one for proof of concept. Create. This may take up to 5 minutes. Let's try some other prompts as well, like me standing on top of a pile of money. Here we got the first generation, and it's actually not bad. If I would generate this in 1080p, it would actually be kind of nice, but crazy bags under my eyes. Here is the pile of money generation. I guess the consistent character is there, but we should have prompted more action. I bet we could get some really cool videos with this, but my credits are running out. I'll show you the pricing in a minute, but let's jump to the next one, video to video. This supports MP4 and MOV formats up to 50 megabytes. It's recommended for 30 seconds or shorter. So this is the video I'm going to feed it. Let's drop the file in, and then we can click on select a style. As you can see, they have these V3 models with Disney Pixar V3 pixel art. That looks so sick. And when we go more down, they have these V1 and V2 models. I'm definitely gonna try to do the pixel art one because that's the style I think is the coolest. We can also add additional prompts. I'm not sure if that's just gonna confuse it or not. So I'll keep the prompt optional here. Video length, 3 seconds. Oh God, this is gonna use all my credits. Let me use half my credits, 50 credits, 5 seconds. That is not really gonna be enough. I'm gonna make the video shorter. And there's also two really interesting options here. Restyle subject only, basically only giving you the person restyle, and also custom background that allows you to choose a color to replace the background. Maybe some sort of rotoscoping going on. I'll leave them blank and create. I'm so excited to see this. I want to show some examples from the trailer that they have. So these are the different styles. This one into the Pixar type style. Here, penguin into a more 3D style. This one more anime style. So there's a bunch of use cases for this. And here is the result. Wow, that actually looks so good. With just 5 seconds, I wish we could get to the smile that I get after that. But look, I am really impressed by this because it's kind of creating my hair into this new style, and it really is not an Instagram filter. It's completely reworked the entire thing. Wow. I really want to test out more video to video, especially check out this Disney Pixar filter of this kid. Imagine that's a workflow for animators right there. But there is one more thing, which is the templates. You remember the AI kissing or AI muscle generator or AI curly hair squish effect or the inflate effect? Well, we got them all here. So let's try to use the AI kissing. Here you have two images that you need to upload. So let's do the image of my face again. There we go. And now I can kiss anyone? Well, in that case, I'm gonna pick my celebrity crush, Anna Solberg. So I'm just gonna copy this image, upload that image, okay. And they've actually added a prompt here to make it as easy as possible for us. And I'm just gonna click on create. And here are the results. I mean, what is this? It would be better to just Photoshop us together, kind of sitting in the same spot. Let's try the AI muscle generator template with this image. I also want to try this AI Hulk transformation, or maybe the AI Joker transformation. Wow. Same image, create. Here is the muscle template. Oh my God. All of a sudden, just workout equipment spawns in the background. Here is the Joker transformation as well. Whoa. That is so good. That actually kind of freaked me out a little bit. I like that it's covering the face and then kind of just surprise. So you can now generate text to video, image to video, video to video. Very impressive and consistent characters. But you might be wondering, what's the price? As you can see, they have a free plan where you can get 20 credits, which is equal to 2 standard videos. You saw quite a bit of how much credits my generations used, so you can take that into account. You also get 1 simultaneous task. This is important because you want to generate many different iterations all at once and then wait, come back and see them all. You also get standard mode, watermarked outputs, and normal support. The free tier is really just for minor testing, and you also do get daily login credits, so you could get more credits from that. The second version here, not the Pro, is the Lite at $10 a month. That gives you 300 credits a month. So that's the plan I'm on. And we pretty much used almost all the credits going through all the various tools. I counted 11 generations, but that really depends on what you are generating. You also get 2 simultaneous tasks, professional mode, faster generation speed, no watermarks, more camera movement options, and priority support. For $10 a month, this is a really good plan, but it won't be enough if you really want to use it for videos or content. And that's why they have the Pro plan that gives you 800 credits. And you can see here, if you want to increase that up to, for example, 2,000 credits, all the way up to 50,000 credits, this is going to be the plan for you. And here you do get 3 simultaneous tasks. And the more you go up, the more simultaneous tasks you can generate. This is $25 a month on the yearly. On the monthly, it's $29 a month. So I like that they don't have a massive discrepancy there. I believe 80 standard videos could be enough for a month, depending on what you're going to use it for. For just $25 per month, you get access to all the best AI video generators. So you don't have to hop from platform to platform. So whether you go with a $10 per month to dabble in these softwares, to the Pro version to actually create real AI video content, I highly recommend it. Just go to Pollo PixVerse.ai by clicking the link in the description down below and start generating some incredible AI videos. I actually really want to try it for video to video Pixar full animated little trailer. So subscribe for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.